You know, usually when you go to a new accommodation, they give you like a care package of snacks and that. But I guess coronavirus season, hands down, a little mask, and I'm guessing antibacterial wipes. That's really, really cute. But I thought it was going to be food, so. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is just a cheeky little vlog. I'm moving back to uni for basically the final time. This is like my final year. Just wanted to introduce the vlog really quickly. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video. So I'm literally carrying so much stuff with me. I don't know why my ring light bag is so dirty. Let's not talk about it, but I've got my ring light, this big ass suitcase, and my laptop bag, laptop, rucksack, bag, food, dishes. It's gonna be really hard just carrying on this, but it's like the biggest mission is when I get to London Liverpool Street. That's where I always like fail because of like the stairs. Like there's some platforms that don't have lifts and like elevators and that, escalators. So it's just a stairs tin, and this is looking to be a madness. So I'm thinking about getting off at Stratford, but I don't know yet. Anyways, I'm actually a whole Essex babe. Like whenever I get to London, I start to get lost. I'm on the train right now. I don't know if I'm on the right train. All these Metropolitan, Circle Line, all these distance are so confusing to me. You know, in a simple babe, from a simple place, you know. So all these different lines and shit are so confusing. So I'm sitting on this train. If it's not the right train, I'm gonna miss my train to Leicester. So yeah, awful scenes. But if I miss it, I'm just gonna have to buy another ticket because you know I'm already gonna be halfway there. Guys, I promise you, I'm so lost. I don't know where I'm going. Guys, when I tell you that was like the biggest struggle ever, I'm literally like sweating. I am so bad when it comes to trains, the underground service, all of that. I just get lost every single time, and I've made this journey. Like this is my 4th year going into Leicester. How many times have I made this journey? And I still never know where I'm going. I'm disgraceful. Anyways, I'm sitting in this little area because the luggage spaces are full, and I'm not trying to walk all the way down to the platform. I can't be bothered. So I've got my bag, jacket, and my ring light there. And I could have left my suitcase here, but I don't really want to do that. You know, someone will just walk off with my shit. So I decided to just sit here. It's nice, it's peaceful, it's just me. I don't mind.
One eternity later.
I'm finally in Leicester now. It was such a chaotic morning, and I'm finally here. Just in my Uber. I'm going to my accommodation finally. Oh, so I'm on my way up to my room. This was a madness. Carrying all this stuff here. I already picked up a package. It's a little rug. So empty room tour. Fridge and freezer. I think it's off. Freezer. Microwave. Kitchen area, got a little sink and the cooker. Usually this is like a ceramic one when I lived here, but I'm guessing some rooms just have these ones, and I literally did not know that. Loads of storage, just everywhere really. Storage. Then we've got the room. Now this year when I lived here, this was like wooden floors, but I don't know if it's only like the lower rooms that have this, because I used to live on the 6th floor and this is not the 6th floor. Still pretty high up there, as you can see. So there's actually carpet and then like this material, which I just kind of like, you know. I think that's like, it's different vibes, and I love that it totally goes with the theme of my room. So bedroom area, bed on this side, and the couch. I love that this little throw is on the couch. Again, it really goes with the kind of theme that I'm going for with my room. Desk, chair, and this, I did not have this in my last room, and I'm excited because it makes it so much easier to organize things. I'm gonna put like makeup, books, folders. There's even a little like pin board, which is really nice, and of course we've got the TV, small but nice. So wardrobe, we've got a mirror here. This is cute. This is like really different from the room I stayed in and the other rooms I've been in, so it's nice to have like a little change. There's a little safe at the bottom. I'm gonna come into the corner so that I can actually really spin around the room. I wasn't expecting this because I picked it because I liked where I stayed so much when I was in 2nd year. And this is different though, but I like it. How are my lights already not working? Cool. So let's go into the bathroom. Love the bathroom. Same as what I expected. A really big shower, love that. Mirror, toilet, and this little desk space. It's a little bit scary, but it's fine. I'm gonna put all my skincare stuff there. I literally can't wait to furnish this room. My theme, if you haven't guessed, is gonna be like grey, white, silver, because it just goes with the room as well, especially because the floor is like this kind of charcoal grey, and that's the kind of grey. And then they've got a little silver throat on the couch. I can't wait to jazz this place up. I said earlier I already picked up a package and it's a rug, so everything is going to come together really, really nicely. I was going to do a uni haul, but I don't know, because I threw away so many things when I had to move out during the coronavirus thing. I literally need to go to town right now and get bedding stuff, because I don't have a duvet, I don't have pillows, all of that, so I need to run to town, which kind of sucks because I'm so tired. So I just did a big shop in Lidl, hella cleaning products, tissue, and all of that, just little household items. Boy, I'm tired. When I tell you my room is so far down the hall, like, I'm already over it, and it's the end of my first day here. But I'm gonna do a nice big clean. I shouldn't have actually put all of my stuff on the surfaces and that, but I mean, obviously, yeah, you assume things are clean, but it's better to just do it yourself, because it doesn't look, I mean, look at that, it doesn't look spotless, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do a big clean, especially the bathroom. I actually need to pee, but I'm gonna clean a little bit first, and then I'll use myself, you know? But yeah, I'm excited to settle into my room, guys, but I've just got to clean up first. But this is basically the end of the vlog. Nothing too exciting, but it was more a room tour than a vlog, I guess. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.